how to fix a screen recording failed to save. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Settings app on your mobile device. And now inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the General option available there. And now inside the General, all you have to do is tap on the Software Update option available. And make sure that if there is any update available, then make sure to update it to the latest version of iOS. Because updated version of iOS can fix the screen recording issues as well. After you do so, go back to the General again. Now scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Reset. Then tap on Reset All Settings and reset all your settings. This will not delete your data but reset all settings in your iPhone. By following this method, you can fix the screen recording issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.